This is section 1, number 11. You're going to find the measurement of x, then each missing angle here. Let's do A first. This box here indicates that it is 90 degrees. So you should know that this angle of BAD, it is considered to be complementary. So angle BAD is equal to 90 degrees, all right? The two angles that make that up is angle BAC added with angle CAD, okay? All right, so now we can plug it back in. BAC, which is right here, BAC, it is 10x plus 22. We're gonna add that to angle CAD, which is green, 7x plus 34. And we know that it's the entire 90 degrees. Now we can combine some like terms. 10x and 7x get you 17x. Then we have 22 plus 34 gets us 56. This is equal to 90 degrees. Subtract 56 to both sides. 90 minus 56 gets us 34 is equal to 17x. Divide by 17 to both sides. You get x is equal to 2. Okay. Now you want to find the missing angle though. We already know that angle ABD is 90 degrees. So let's find angle BAC though. That is 10x plus 22. Let's substitute in that 2 that we solved for the x and evaluate. 10 times 2 plus 22 is 42. So we can say angle BAC, it is 42 degrees. Then we have angle CAD, which is going to be equal to 7x plus 34. 7. Now we substitute the value in for x, which is 2, plus 34. 7 times 2 plus 34, it is 48. That is what angle CAD is. And this is equal to 48 degrees. That should confirm, because if we add these two angles together, they do make that 90. Next, let's take a look at B. This is a straight line, which is a straight angle, which means these two angles are supplementary. That angle EFG is equal to 180 degrees. Okay? Angle EFG is made up of the two parts of angle EFH plus angle HFG. Now we can plug in the values that we have. We have 6x minus 5, which is EFG, which is going to be this blue here. Okay? Plus angle HFG, 12x plus 5, that is going to be this green part here. Okay. Then we have the entire thing of EFG, which is 180. All right. Now we can combine some like terms. 6x plus 12x gets you 18x. Minus 5 plus 5, that gets you a plus 0 here. So this can just be 180 equals to 18x. We can now just divide 18 to both sides to solve for the x. We have x is equal to just 10. We want to find the individual angles. So angle EFH is equal to 6x minus 5. 6 parentheses 10, because that is the x value that we just solved for, minus 5. This is 6 times 10 minus 5 gets you 55. This is the angle of EFH. Then let's find the angle of HFG, which is equal to 12x plus 5. We want to now substitute in that value of x that we just solved for, which was 10. Okay, so we have 12 times 10 plus 5. This gets you 125. This makes sense because if we add these two angles, they should add up to 180 degrees.